Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, if I put a small business restructuring proposal to my creditors and they don't accept it, does that mean my company goes into liquidation? The answer to this question is no. There is no automatic trigger for a company to go into liquidation or for the directors to go into bankruptcy or anything of that sort if a small business restructuring proposal is not accepted. Control of the company remains with the director throughout the process and continues to remain with the director afterwards as well, and the business continues to trade. The common question I get following up that question is, what happens now that suppliers, the ATO, my landlord, and others know that my business can't pay all of its debt? Does that make them put pressure on me for payment sooner, or anything in that nature where they are now pressing harder for debts? Now, in practice, what happens is most businesses who are considering a small business restructuring are often already under a lot of pressure from debt. So yes, it may make some parties aware who might not have been aware before about the pressures being faced by this business, but usually the business is already facing quite significant pressures in order to have a small business restructuring conversation. So it becomes about, can the business keep trading the way it's trading, or do the business's directors and owners need to take some level of risk and a measured risk to try and improve the business's situation, hopefully significantly, and the risk is that some suppliers or creditors who might not have previously known of the pressures of the business might find out. But in most cases, if the proposal is successful, the businesses say it's very worth it.